Hello. Welcome to Kesan Studio. Today we are going to try watercolor painting. First we need to draw basic shapes with very light pencil stroke. It should be very light color. This lines is like a framework to develop watercolor painting. Now we need to fill the water in the sky area. Leave some space in the border, that would be good. This is watercolor painting. Don't paint in all places. Just apply colors in corner. It will automatically spread because you have already applied enough water wherever needed. Pick dark color and touch it in the corner. It will spread and merge with other color nicely because it's still wet. We need to make sure when we try this method the water should be wet, else you can add water before you try. Add different color for texture. Very important key is don't paint in all place. It will spread and the paper should be wet. Now we are done with sky, and same will be reflect in water, so apply almost same color in water to show the reflection. Let's spread the yellow color, then orange, and then dark blue. Make lines from right side in wet paper. It will represent water nicely. Once it get dry, draw boat in dark black. people with more detail. Just overall shape is file. Make shadow now. Make the line from left to right and right to left and extend till bottom. Shadow should go with the water waves. Now add more details. I feel the sky is very light. To add contrast I add more color near Orion. When you add texture in water, make sure it's not too dry. We need to use more water in this case so that it will nicely merge with background. Other sharp line we can make it in fountain pen. After all color got dry,